Hello, my name is Sue Gray and I run HelpMeSleep, a coaching and therapy service that specialises in helping people to get a great night's sleep and to resolve the sort of difficult long-term sleep issues. And over the years I've helped many people improve their sleep, to get rid of pain that may be keeping them awake, dealing with anxiety, that voice that tells you at 3 o'clock in the morning how terrible everything is and that you're not going to sleep and it's going to be even worse tomorrow. And make lifestyle changes as well that will help you get to improve your sleep. Now, I use tried and tested methods and merge these into unique tailor-made programs that will help you to quickly and easily improve your sleep and make those sleep challenges a thing of the past. Many of the people I see suffer from insomnia, and that is perhaps due to anxiety or chronic pain or loss. And HelpMeSleep successfully tackles the root causes of these issues as well as the sleep problem, so that you become calmer, happier, and more able to cope, with day-to-day life and the challenges that, life throws at us. And it's not just insomnia. Did you know there's over 90 listed sleep disorders? From snoring to sleepwalking, from narcolepsy to restless legs. There's so many things that get in the way of a good night's sleep. And you know how crucial sleep is to our well-being, to our mental health, our physical health. Everything is impacted by sleep. Our relationships, how we function at work, our decision making, even our driving ability. So if you're having problems sleeping and you want somebody who will be able to help you to move on quickly, then do give me a call and have a chat about how I can help you. It's no obligation conversation, and we can set it up online or I can see you in person. So if you want to get a sleep problem that you want to get rid of, then do get in touch.